Tired of endless scrolling for the perfect gift? What if I told you free AI could find unique, personalized presents in seconds for anyone on your list? Picture this. It is the night before your best friend's birthday. Your mind is a total blank. You are staring at a blinking search bar, hovering over the same old generic gift card. Your stomach sinks. We have all been there. The pressure, the panic. But what if you could bypass the stress entirely? What if you had a brilliant, world-class personal shopper in your pocket, waiting to help you for absolutely free? Well, you do. And today, you are going to master it. Most people think AI is just for writing work emails or coding. Huge mistake. It is actually the ultimate secret weapon for gift giving. But here is the catch. If you just type "what should I get my dad for Father's Day" into ChatGPT, you are going to get the same boring, generic list of socks, grills, and power tools. Yawn. To get the gold, you need a different strategy. You need to feed the AI a highly specific recipe. Let's do this together. Open up any free AI tool. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they all work beautifully. Now, instead of a basic question, you are going to use the persona prompt. Copy this setup. Tell the AI, you are an elite, highly creative personal shopper. I need a gift for my sister. She is 32, loves true crime podcasts, drinks too much cold brew, and is currently trying to grow her own sourdough starter. My budget is $40. Give me 5 highly specific, slightly quirky gift ideas that connect these interests. Hit enter. Boom. Instantly, the AI does not just suggest a book. It suggests a murder mystery themed cold brew maker, or a sourdough starter jar customized with a funny crime scene label. It connects the dots in ways your brain simply cannot do when you are stressed out. But wait, what if you are shopping for the person who literally has everything? The person who just buys whatever they want, whenever they want it. Here is the mind-blowing trick most people don't know about. We call it the experience wrapper. Instead of buying a physical object, you are going to ask the AI to design a custom experience. Tell the AI what the recipient loves, and ask it to write a step-by-step itinerary for a perfect, personalized day out. For example, ask it for a retro arcade and local diner crawl in their city, complete with a playful, typed-up invitation. You print that invitation out, put it in an envelope, and just like that, you have gifted a beautiful memory. It costs almost nothing, but feels incredibly thoughtful. Now, let's take it one step further. What if you want to make the presentation unforgettable? This is where free AI art tools come in. Go to a free generator like Microsoft Copilot or Canva's AI image creator. Type in something hilarious and highly specific to your friend. Maybe a majestic oil painting of a pug wearing a spacesuit eating pizza. Print it out. Use it as the wrapping paper or a custom greeting card. It is weird. It is personal. It is guaranteed to make them laugh. And it took you exactly 2 minutes. Do you see what we are doing here? We are shifting from stressful guessing to effortless creation. You are no longer just buying stuff. You are crafting moments. The next time a holiday, a wedding, or a birthday rolls around, do not panic. Do not spend hours walking circles around a department store. Just sit back, open up your AI, and let the magic happen. So, who is the hardest person on your list to shop for? Drop their random hobbies in the comments below, and let's see if we can crowdsource some AI magic for you right now. If this saved you some holiday panic, hit that subscribe button. We are unlocking new, practical ways to use AI every single week, and you do not want to miss the next shortcut. Until next time, happy gifting.